How to score points in Vita Mahjong. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can achieve it. First of all, open the application. Now here on the bottom, simply tap on the level that you're in. So now we are inside the game. Here on the top, there's a section called score. So how do you increase the score? Basically, while matching all this tile, it will automatically increase the score. So here, for example, if I simply tap on the tiles, here on the top, as you can see, the score has been increased. So the better the score, the higher the tiles that you can break down. So even if there are different type of combos, one by one, you'll be able to achieve the highest score. Later, it will be recorded in your level and you can easily go to the next level. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.